We can do it drunk. You can do it sober.
Alright. It's hard to see. Oh, that did help. Everything looks all normal here, except for the unusually flat surface that we're driving on.
They ripped it out.
Holy shit, it's gone!
It's gone, dude.
No way!
It is, it's gone.
No way! Holy crap! Holy crap!
You still have pictures of it though, right?
Yeah! Holy shit!
I wonder how deep that is now.
They had to have put a culvert in here and everything. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah. That's nuts.
Well, you don't want to drive across that.
Look how shallow it is.
Well, yeah, it doesn't, you can't really tell, but... Wow. I don't even know what to think of that.
No, I don't either.
Okay.
Yeah. I want to
So-
walk up to it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk up to
All right. All right, let's do that. Okay, so this is interesting. Look at the ice heaves. I'm going to walk up on the side so I don't fall down. But this is crazy. Oh. Still pretty deep.
Oh fuck, we'll walk right through it. Walk right through it.
Walk right through it.
Yeah, that's only about 1.5 feet, 2 feet deep.
Yep.
Walk right through it. Yes, sir.
Wow. Nice scenery.
Yeah.
You gotta admit.
Yeah, it is.
Well, where'd the bridge go?
Oh, they picked it up and took it with them.
Why did they put it here in the first place?
I don't know. Let's go explore some more.
There must have been a problem on the power line.
There must have been.
There had to have been. It's not the fiber optic thing that we were talking about. There had to have been a problem.
Yeah.
Man, that was costly. I know one thing. Wearing these fucking sneakers wasn't a great idea.
As you can see, we can
Yeah.
see that, Todd. You know?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. She's down a lot.
Oh yeah, there's no water here.
No, none.
But look at this. Like, this tree's blown over.
Yeah.
2 of them, actually. The beavers are loving that. Holy cow, look at this.
Look at it run. It's running good.
Oh, when the
We'll stop it up.
look at this, man. You know how deep this is going to be because of this right here?
Oh yeah, once they get going.
Once the beavers come in here and pack, look at what they get to work with. Oh, wow.
This is gonna be an adventure.
This is pretty cool. Yikes. Those boots waterproof?
Up to my ankle.
Perfect. You think this is a good idea?
Nope.
No.
Well, let's see.
All right. This should be interesting. Bridge, no bridge. Oh man. gets cold, don't get stuck.
Nope, I won't.
No. Okay, well, perfect. Oh, I don't think this is a good idea.
Nope, it ain't.
No, it ain't. Yeah. The ice starts way fast. Yeah.
Yeah, it'd have to be running hard and I'd drop hard.
Oh, yeah, you would.
Yeah. No, that ain't.
No, we'd be wenching.
No, sir. Well, we're smarter than that.
We'd be
Doc.
wenching. Yeah.
We're smarter than that.
Good call, Doc.
Yeah,
Good call.
I believe your opinion as well.
I'll follow you anywhere.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
this is a bad decision.
Yeah,
But
and
I've said
no,
that so
this
many
is a good
times.
decision. That's what we're doing.
Every time I've said that. So.
Okay. Oh, right there. That's we're gonna back up. Right.
Yeah.
I'm looking good.
No, you're doing good. Yeah. We won't make it.
No, I'm not. I don't want to beat him until then. She's been good to me.
Well, it's freezing outside.
That too. Well, yeah. But all that water will be all over her.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want her playing in the snow.
Yeah, I know. It sounds stupid, but if I had the right shoes on, my feet wouldn't be cold right now. You know?